Well, the sentiment is absolutely yes. Here at UConn Health today, they vaccinated about 50 people an hour for a total of about 150 seniors 75 and older. Phase 1B officially starts Monday, but if you're 75 and older, you can go online right now to book your appointment. You won't be able to get a vaccine without one. UConn Health did a test run.
It's a very easy process we have. We have a patient portal called MyChart. You could go to our UConn Health webpage and it's listed there with all our instructions. It'll prompt you, it'll give you your appointment time, it sends you reminders.
Some seniors had a little trouble with the online registration.
They told me that I had signed up 3 times. I had 3 accounts. And that's confusion on my part.
But Dan said getting the vaccine only took 20 minutes and UConn Health was accommodating.
Well, yesterday morning I signed up for the appointment. First they gave me February, and then my wife 3 hours later got today. So I called up and I said, she's younger, how come I was so much later? They re-signed me up for, she was 1020, I was 1040.
Lester and Judith Shaw are another couple who got vaccinated together.
We've been pretty much in a bubble for almost a year now.
Feeling good and looking forward to the second dose.
They scheduled that already and we have our card to come back.
As the days and weeks roll on, providers like UConn Health will be expanding access.
We're opening an additional site hopefully next week as long as the vaccines are delivered. So we'll be accommodating more community members.
And we now know for sure the community members who are eligible in Phase 1B. They include people 75 and older, frontline essential workers, individuals and staff of congregate settings, and newly added to the group, people between 65 and 74, and anyone between 16 and 64 with a CDC-listed comorbidity.
I'm so happy and so excited that it's starting here so fast.
But the state cautions, be patient, there will be challenges. Originally intended to include 800,000 people that could be vaccinated in 10 weeks, Phase 1B's expansion now means 1.3 million residents are eligible. The governor's office estimates that could take 15 or 16 weeks, worth waiting for.
Mentally, physically, I feel greatly relieved.
But providers still asking for more help to give the vaccines.
Yes. We've reached out to a lot of our community members, some retired retirees that have come back and helped us.
And coming soon, the state says they will have a map available to show you where the 100 vaccination sites across the state are actually located. Reporting in Farmington at UConn Health, Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.